today. Some burgers and wings, and yeah. So I'm gonna flip this stuff so I don't burn it.
Jackie was like super sick yesterday. Like she threw up a couple times. I don't think this graphics card is going to fit.
Over here, baby. Oh wow, there's a lot of mushrooms right there.
Stomp them. Now kick it.
Big, yeah. Yeah.
Yuck.
You want to show the vlog your Mickey Mouse shoes?
Hey, this. My who?
Yeah.
You wanna go back in your car?
My who?
Yeah, you got cool shoes. He never uses the doors.
No. You know the door's open, Cam. I know he knows how to use it. He's opened it before. He's just doesn't want to use it.
He just hops over things.
Still got, oh, I just got bug in the eye. Still got that dent that you
Make sure you lock it.
Yeah, dear.
need help.
No. No.
You need help. All right, go.
Mommy's not the best driver in this.
Me?
It was on the park.
I'd have to get you.
I thought me.
There's a mosquito flying around my head.
Morning. I look like a potato with my hood on. Good
I
morning.
always look like a potato.
But good morning. We are hanging out outside. Kind of colder out because it's like that fall time.
I mean, I forgot my mom bought him some new sweaters too.
But-
What are you looking at?
right? But I bought this for his birthday, and we haven't even shown it, and I completely forgot, and now we're showing it. So. Huh?
He was just driving.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Bluetooth in it
Yeah.
too. Like I said,
It has Bluetooth. It has like a horn.
It has the radio, but we get battery.
Radio, some other stuff.
Here.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter anyway. He doesn't care. So. Yeah,
He's
but
the one that figured out how to pair my phone, Cameron.
yeah, but it's cold outside. Well, colder. It's
Oh, this is what I
like
love.
60 or something.
This is what I want all the time.
Yeah, we're just hanging out. Cam's gonna run into me.
Oh, he's doing it now. You better watch out, he's gonna run you over, baby. This is why he can't drive all the time by himself. He's driving right now by himself. I'll just switch him.
I go drive Cameron around because Jackie keeps messing it all up.
No, he's going out. I was letting him drive.
Oh, well.
Right when the camera turns on, or you open the camera.
C-Bam.
You want to show them how you get the dinosaur out of your egg? Not with your shoes.
Right, that doesn't make sense. Okay.
Kind of just gets out of.
So we're using the grill today, and I am making chicken wings and burgers. I'm excited about that, and I just burnt my finger a little bit, but it's okay. Cam's apparently eating blackberries. You eating blackberries?
Hey.
Why do you put them on the floor, Cam? I put them.
What?
Oh, he went to go try my
Oh, the tomato?
and it squirted all over his face.
Ah, man. Hate it when things squirt all over my face, Cam. This is the grill. This is what it looks like. Has a... Huh?
This is the grill. This is what it looks like.
Right. There's a thing right here that can raise and lower the coal bed, and oof, smoky. But we're making burgers and wings, and yeah. So I'm gonna flip this stuff so I don't burn it. And back up, Cam. Guys, it's early. I just finished playing Doom Eternal, the Ancient Gods part 1. To be fair, I probably look awful, but I'm in my office right now. I usually wake up early. Jackie was like super sick yesterday. Like, she threw up a couple times. She got her nails done, but she got sick a couple times, and then I don't know, continued to get sick. I hung out with Cameron pretty much since she left to go get her nails done, and then when she came back, she wanted to lay down because she didn't feel good, and then yeah, all that stuff happened. Well, I mean, I was outside with Cameron, and I was on the phone, and she comes out and was like, oh, I got sick, like, blah, blah, blah. She looked bad. Like, she did not look good. And I mean, she gets like migraines and stuff, and the migraines like end up making her super nauseous, and then she ends up getting sick. Yeah, so I felt pretty bad about that. She ended up going to bed at, I don't know, she pretty much went upstairs, laid down, and then kept getting sick and everything. I think she just slept basically from the time she got back. She was actually still sleeping when I put Cameron to sleep around 7:30, and then continued to sleep and sleep and sleep. And you know, I just woke up this morning around 4ish to game and do a couple other things, to actually edit this vlog, ironically. And yeah, I mean, I felt bad. You know, she did not feel well at all. So yeah, but right now I am, oh, that's another quick update. I know I showed you guys like a quick thing of my grill. It was honestly because I was cooking, and it was difficult to vlog and make sure Cameron didn't go near the grill. Cook, basically. And so I didn't want to burning the food, so I ended up like cutting it off right there. But yeah, I know this vlog's kind of all over the place and everything. I gotta make an update video on my PC that I built. I want to do that, and then I also want to make an update video on the iBuyPower PC. It's just like I have a bunch of stuff that I want to do, and then we're also figuring out what Jackie wants to do for her PC. She wants to, well, I think Intel is probably the best option for her. I've never built an Intel based system before. Actually, I've only built a Ryzen based system, and I'm debating on if I want to do that, or I have a Ryzen 3 3100 in the iBuyPower PC that I could actually take out because it works perfectly fine. But I could take that out and use it in a new PC. It's just it would be a used part, and it would actually save me some money. And I could use the motherboard too, but it's a micro ATX board, so it only has 2 DIMM slots. Find that because it's like she's only really gonna need 16 gigs, but my big issue is if I use that board, I would opt to get a smaller case. I don't think this graphics card is going to fit in a small case. I don't even know if it will fit in, I don't even know if it'll fit in a case that is my size. Mine is a mid tower. Well, I know it will fit in there. I don't even know if it'll fit in a case like mine. Mine's a mid tower case. I know it will. I just don't know with AIO. That's my thing. If there's an AIO in it, my camera's all stupid right now. If there's an AIO in it, I don't know if it will actually work, just based on like size and everything and like clearance. So yeah, I don't know, I might have to use an air cooler and use some fans and stuff for that, which is fine. I mean, she's not gonna push like crazy loads on her PC anyway, so it's not really a big issue. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on, talk to you guys, let you know what's going on. I know this vlog's kind of all over the place, and I apologize for that. Probably this week I'm gonna give you guys an update on the PC that I built, and then I gotta make an update. I actually recorded a video giving an update on the iBuyPower PC, but I just never posted it because I really didn't like it that much. So I'll definitely make an update video on my PC that I built, and then I'll make an update video on the iBuyPower PC. Sitting down talking to you guys about the PC and everything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Close out this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, push the bell button, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.